If you're in the middle of your home renovation and you're struggling, maybe the builders have been in for weeks, months, you're living in a mess, there's dust everywhere, and it still seems like a very, very long way until you can enjoy the fruits of your labor and you can live in a lovely renovated home. Here's something that I do which might help. And the thing I do is I sit in the space as I'm doing now, sitting in the middle of my renovation, and I just close my eyes. And I literally just imagine that I'm sitting in the finished space. I'm sitting in the floor, at the floor that I've chosen. It's all done, and I can see the detailing. The kitchen's over there. It's all sleek and I can see it. It's wall hung and it's got my white appliances. I've got my big dining table behind me and it's got the interesting seating that I'm looking at. And then I've got my utility area in walnut over here with the library. And then stepping down, I've got my lovely seating area and the gas stove with the special tiles behind it, and the lighting and the corner glazing and the garden outside. And I can just imagine what it's like. And I can just experience the vision I have for the property going forward. And I can enjoy that now, and I can feel the feelings that I'm going to feel when that is finally complete. And the other thing that really helps me to do is it helps me to work out some little design details. So I might take my attention over to one corner and I might think, oh, what's the wall color there? Or is there a curtain or is there not? Is it a blind? And I can just imagine those things in my head, and it actually helps me to understand where the decisions are made and where there might be some gaps. So I think it's a really, really helpful thing to do, partly just to make you feel better and to help you to like just stay in touch with the final vision and the real reason you're doing this. Just going to give you that little bit of relief in the moment. And secondarily, as a design tool to help you to just kind of imagine how different areas will work together and some gaps that you might have and how you might fill those gaps. So I hope that helps you. I hope that helps you get through some of the harder days with your renovation. I know that it can be tough on certain days.